This is a Kapara production shorts. Let's begin. Alek is one of those vague Hebrew words that is often used and has many meanings, but most Israelis cannot decide on one definition that will fully cover it. In this tutorial, I'll try and show you the various ways you can use it. In most cases, one would usually translate Alek as, give me a break. Yeah, right. Nonsense. You wish. Or, get out of here. This word is in slang and originates from Arabic. When pronouncing the word, make sure to lengthen it as such. Alek. Let's review some examples, shall we? מה הבעיה? תיסע לעבודה באוטובוס. עאלק, הייתי מעדיף ללכת ברגל. עאלק מיוצר באיטליה, זה חיקוי סיני. איזה חבר אתה? עאלק. ניצחת אותי, עאלק. קניתי אייפון חדש. עאלק. Continue watching my other videos to learn more important concepts in Hebrew. Yalla bye. Alek.